In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Steam and games. Whether you want the Steam client itself to appear in a different language, or you only need a specific game to use another language, I'll walk you through both approaches clearly and quickly so you can get back to playing. First, let's change the language for the Steam client. This affects the menus, the store, your library, and any built-in dialogues. Start by opening Steam on your computer. Along the top left, click the Steam menu, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, find and select the Interface section. Here you'll see an option labeled Language. Click that drop-down and pick the language you want the Steam interface to use. When you're ready, click OK to confirm. Steam will ask you to restart so the change can take effect. We'll go ahead and restart Steam, and when it comes back up, the entire client should display in your chosen language. If something looks off, you can repeat these same actions to switch back just as easily. Now, let's change the language for a specific game, which is helpful if you want only one title to run in a different language than the rest of your library. In Steam, go to your library. Find the game you want to adjust, right-click it, and select Properties. In the window that opens, click the Language tab on the left. Choose your preferred language from the list. Close the Properties window, then launch the game. Steam may download additional language files the first time you switch, so don't worry if you see a short update start. This is normal. Once it's done, your game should run with the language you selected. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Not every game supports every language, so if your pick isn't available for that title, Steam will usually stick with the default. Some games separate text and audio languages. In those cases, you might see one list here and need to use in-game settings for the other. Also, changing the Steam client language does not automatically change your games. That's why the per-game setting is useful. If you ever need to troubleshoot, simply revisit these same menus and confirm the selections. That's it. Changing language on Steam and in your games is as straightforward as adjusting a couple of settings, restarting the client when prompted, and launching the game to apply your choice. Thanks for watching, and enjoy playing in the language that suits you best.